forecast.
As I first mentioned on your news at 4 o'clock, those cirrus clouds will make for a picturesque sunset. Hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. That was the view at sunset on Tuesday evening over the Shenandoah Valley, thanks to Janet Breathwaite in Augusta County, showing us those clouds illuminated by the sunshine. And sometimes those clouds are a sign of a weather pattern change ahead. So we'll see what's on the horizon, right? Here's a look outside live at the top of Wintergreen. Not a cloud to be found right now. Lots of sunshine, blue skies, and we're talking about temperatures on the rebound even across the higher elevations. So one more night Wintergreen and Massanutten, you'll be able to make snow before the temperatures even overnight will stay well above freezing for a couple of nights. In that first forecast for the rest of your Wednesday, sunshine, blue skies all day long. I guarantee it, with highs mostly in the lower 50s, which is right on target for this 21st day of February. Numbers across the board here at lunchtime are in the 40s after lows in the frosty 20s this morning. So we've come up several degrees in the span of just a few hours, and we're well on our way to at least the low, maybe some mid 50s by 2 to 3 p.m. Storm Team 29's live Doppler radar. We can go on past that. There's no precipitation in sight. This dry atmosphere will win out for quite some time, at least in the next, say, 24 hours or so. But then looking more long term towards the end of the week, there's a cold front arriving from the northern plain states, a piece of energy coming from the Rockies. The only thing missing is moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So as this system comes through here tomorrow night and Friday morning, it's not going to bring us a whole lot of rain. So that weather pattern change arrives tomorrow. Here comes a warm front. It'll give us some clouds. There's 8 o'clock in the morning. The clouds begin to increase. We might have a red sky sunrise. Here's midday, 1 o'clock. There could be a passing sprinkle or a shower, mainly north of I-64 and especially near and north of Route 33. But even that will be very few and far between, maybe a light ground dampening. Now, tomorrow night, late into Friday morning, here comes that batch of rain from the west. But it's going to cross the mountains, and there's not a whole lot of moisture coming off from the Atlantic or the Gulf, and it looks like there's going to be just a few sprinkles and light showers. That's 7 a.m. on Friday, and then expect a drying trend on Friday afternoon and for the weekend ahead. Rainfall projections. Most areas will struggle to reach 1/10 of an inch. What does that mean? Basically enough to dampen the ground. Looking at next week, though, for the last week of February, how about an April-like end to the month? It'll be in the 60s and 70s during the day and lows in the 40s and the 50s. And when it warms up this time of the year, you know, rain can't be too far away. So with the warmer air next week, some April-like showers are back in the forecast. In your Storm Team 29 report today, highs in the low 50s, sunshine, blue skies, a light breeze, lows upper 20s and low 30s tonight, with a light frost under a mainly clear sky before the clouds arrive tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we'll call it mostly cloudy and mild, upper 50s north with a slight shower chance near and north of Highway 33, and then I-64 and south we're going to be in the lower 60s with mainly dry skies. 7-day forecast. How about that low near 50 tomorrow night? A few early showers on Friday, then a drying trend, highs near 60. We're dry on Friday night in the 30s. Cooler on Saturday in the 40s, and then on Sunday and Monday we're going to warm back up. 50s on Sunday, 60s on Monday, almost 70 degrees with a few showers for the middle part of next week, Jared.